Does your closet look like a battlefield every morning? Clothes crammed in, shoes all over the floor, and somehow, never enough space. Well, what if I told you that you could transform your chaotic closet into an organized oasis? Today, I'll show you 10 amazing tips and tricks that will help you maximize your closet space. No matter how small it is, by the end of this video, you'll have a closet that feels organized, spacious, and completely stress-free. Here's the thing about closet organization. It isn't about having a walk-in closet the size of a bedroom. It's about making the most of what you already have. With a few clever hacks and some strategic thinking, you can double or even triple your usable space without spending a fortune or moving to a bigger home. So let's dive right in with tip number 1. Tip 1. Use slim hangers. First up, swap out those bulky wooden or plastic hangers for slim velvet hangers. Look at this difference. These save a surprising amount of space. We're talking about gaining 30 to 40% more room on your rod. Plus, the velvet surface keeps clothes from slipping off, so no more shirts ending up on the floor. This simple swap alone can fit almost twice as many items in the same space. It's like magic, but better. It's practical. Tip 2. Double up with a second rod. If you only have one hanging rod, you're seriously wasting vertical space. Here's how to fix that instantly. Add a second rod underneath for shorter clothes like shirts, blouses, or jackets. You don't need any tools. These adjustable rods just hook right onto your existing rod. Suddenly, you've got double the hanging space in the exact same footprint. Short items on bottom, long items on top. It's that simple. Tip 3. Shelf dividers for sweaters and bags. Raise your hand if your closet shelves look like this disaster zone. Yeah, I thought so. Shelf dividers are total game changers. They keep sweaters, bags, or folded jeans stacked neatly without creating the dreaded avalanche effect. Now you can grab what you need without everything toppling over. Your shelves stay organized, and you can actually see what you own. Revolutionary, right? Tip 4. Use the back of the door. Don't let this prime real estate go to waste. The back of your closet door is like having a secret extra closet. Add an over-the-door shoe organizer for shoes, obviously, but also for scarves, belts, or even cleaning supplies. These clear pockets let you see everything at a glance. It's like adding another mini-closet without taking up any floor or wall space. Pure genius. Tip 5. Store seasonally. Here's a question. Why are you letting bulky winter coats eat up precious space during summer? Store off-season clothes in clear bins under the bed, on a high shelf, or even in another room. Label them clearly so you know exactly what's inside. Rotate them throughout the year, and suddenly your closet has room to breathe. Plus, you'll only see clothes that are actually relevant to the current season. Tip 6. Use vertical shoe storage. Shoes take up way more room than you think, especially when they're just thrown on the floor like this. Use vertical storage like a shoe tower, hanging shoe organizer, or these clear stackable boxes. The clear ones are my favorite because you can see exactly which shoes you're grabbing. Look how much floor space we just gained. Now you can actually walk into your closet without doing gymnastics. Tip 7. Hooks and pegs. Hooks are seriously your best friend in closet organization. They're cheap, easy to install, and incredibly versatile. Install a row on the side wall or inside walls for bags, belts, hats, or even tomorrow's outfit. It keeps everything off the floor and makes items super easy to grab and go. The best part, they work in any size closet, and you can add as many or as few as you need. Tip 8. Drawer organizers. If your drawers look like this hot mess, we need to talk about organizers. Use small bins or adjustable dividers for underwear, socks, ties, or accessories. Think of it as giving everything its own designated parking spot. No more digging through tangled chaos to find a matching sock. Everything has its place, and you can find what you need in seconds. Tip 9. The vertical fold. This folding method will change your life. Instead of stacking clothes in piles, fold them vertically so they stand up like little soldiers. You can see every single item at a glance. Nothing gets wrinkled from being squished at the bottom, and you'll fit more clothes in the same drawer space. Plus, no more destroying your entire folded pile just to grab the shirt at the bottom. It's a total game changer. Tip 10. Lighting makes a difference. This tip is totally underrated. But proper lighting makes your closet feel bigger and more luxurious instantly. Add LED strip lights under shelves, motion sensor lights that turn on when you open the door, or even a small lamp. Good lighting makes finding clothes so much easier. No more grabbing the navy shirt when you wanted black. Trust me, once you can actually see your clothes clearly, your closet will feel like a high-end boutique. So there you have it, 10 amazing closet hacks that can help you maximize space, stay organized, and actually enjoy getting dressed in the morning. The best part? Most of these tips cost under $20 each and can be done in a weekend. You don't need a massive budget or professional organizer to have the closet of your dreams. Remember, organization isn't about perfection. It's about making your daily life easier and less stressful. Which one of these tips will you try first? I'm betting it's the slim hangers. They're always the fan favorite. Let me know in the comments below which tip surprised you most. And if you want more tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this one. I post new videos every week. Until next time, happy organizing!